We just finished going to the doctor and I'm in the train all the way back home. So I'm gonna prepare before we go to the airport by 2. And I hope you can hear me and that. I have arrived. I know that people are gonna be looking at me as I do this, but whatever. So I haven't taken a bath. I haven't eaten yet. And I was on that thing for 2 hours. So. But we're here now. We're gonna take a bath. We're gonna eat some stuff and we're gonna get ready. See ya. I am at home.
Hindi maliwanag kaya.
And maliwanag nga.
Oo.
Say hi. So we're just gonna get ready and in a while because it's like 1 and we're planning to leave by 2 or 4. I don't know. Whatever. Hello. Mag-hello ka daw.
Hi. Hi.
Hey. Ganon, dali. Ah. Hey. Well, I took a bath and on the way to the airport. In a while, when they all take a bath, because I'm see. I fell asleep, but we're on the way to the airport now. See you guys later. See you next week.
See you.
See you next week.
Kasya ba sa likod? Hindi.
No.
No! Sakay na din.
See you next week. The airport and we're gonna go in a while. We wait for our packages to be put in somewhere. Not sure if you can film here, but we are inside. And as I'm doing this, everybody's looking. We are now in Russia. Just kidding. We have checked our bags in and we're ready to we are now inside. And I think we're gonna try and eat something now.
Yeah.
After this, we're gonna wait in the area where we should wait at the gate. I'm gonna overcome my fear and not sleep and overcome my anxiety about airplanes. Yeah. See you later. We're here. About to board in a while. Boarding in a while. Look at the people. Boarding, boarding, boarding. So we're boarding now, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. We're boarding. See you later. We have settled down. We are inside the airplane. That's where my sisters are. I'm gonna sit here alone because, you know, I'm an independent person. I don't need nobody. Anyway, so we have an entertainment system that you can. It has updated movies, like really nice ones. And we have a seatbelt too. Later, I'm gonna teach you guys how to put on a seatbelt, and then so you guys can learn from me, because I'm not just here to entertain. I'm here to be of educational purposes as well. Anyway, so I also have this, and we have, no, And we have I don't know what that is, but that's where you put the things. And we're gonna get food later. See ya later. So I'm gonna show you guys how these things. Oh, these things work. They have remotes.
I'll come back to you later, right?
And as I press enter to begin, enter. And press it. Oh my gosh. See me? Welcome to Singapore.
Take care of your
They
personal
have
belongings
these
and valuables at all
but
times.
they
Ladies
give
and
us
gentlemen,
free
Samsung
earphones.
Galaxy Note 7 is
That's how they look like. And I have to open it. Ooh! I remember KSF. Oh, they got two sets called. They gave us these blankets. Anyway, so you put these things in here. I don't know how, but I just think whatever.
No, sir. It's
Oh, you put it.
here. Yeah, you place it here.
Okay. So you don't put it there. You place it here. That was so dumb. I can't see it from the camera. It ain't working for me. There you go. Did you just see that? She told me what to do. Who is she even? These things. So before anything else, I want to let you guys know that I have airplane anxiety. I always have my booster to help me get through it. I don't know. I want to travel the world, but can I just like travel through submarines or something? I don't know. I'm scared. But faith in God. Always get you do anything.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we're preparing for departure, we'd like all passengers to please take your seats
I
now.
don't know what these are.
All Manila ground staff, please disembark the aircraft now.
No, you don't eat them. But I think you use them to warm your face. Oh, that's how. And to warm your hands in case you're, I don't know. They have no movies. Yes, we have taken off and I think they're gonna serve the food in a while. The food arrived. Could you believe it? Here is beef. Still laughing at me. They gave us the ice cream. You're about to land. Due to travel congestion, that's what they said. We are in air traffic, and I can see the city lights already, but no landing yet. But we still haven't landed, and my airplane anxiety is acting up a little. But oh, you know I hate that. I really hate that sound. Whenever this thing starts shaking and stuff, I hate it. But we're here now. I'm gonna let you look at it outside. I don't know if you can see, but. We have arrived safely. Thanks to the Lord above. And it's the first time I conquered my fear. I did not sleep. So that means I'm fearless. Here's to like hashtag fearless 2017. We're gonna get it back. And we're going down in a few. See, look at him. Look at him. Scandalous. I will see y'all later because we're gonna get our bags. So, we have found our belt. I'm so nervous. The bags are already here. We gotta get ready. This is a race. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god, here we go.
Wala pa nga.
3, 2, 1. Get that back, get that back. That ain't our bag. We got our bags. As you can see. Oh, I want money, of course. And we're gonna head to the hotel in a while. Taxi stand Taipei. There's a huge flower. Just kidding. It's like propellers from an airplane. Oh my god, it's a transformer. I can't even. What time is it? It's 11:40 now, and in 20 minutes, my oldest sister, who is super ugly, is gonna turn 20. Ah, can you believe it? She's old. Anyway, we're just waiting for the spaceship.
So have you all planned where to go tomorrow?
We are.
Maybe Universal?
Universal. Have you all buy all the tickets?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet.
Tomorrow is my daughter's birthday.
Sorry?
I'm actually in the beach.
It's 12 and it's the 29th, and it's my sister's birthday. And with that, we are stuck outside the hotel. We can't get in. Well, happy birthday to my sister, and with that, we also left our passports in the taxi. We are trying to solve a problem. I'm gonna update you later. This is quite funny. We were looking for the passports, and then my sister kind of forgot where she dropped it, or she put it. I don't know. She forgot where she put it the last time. And then I was like, oh, I have vlogs. So I checked all the videos, and we good. We found the passports. We're gonna get back to the Philippines. Don't y'all worry. You're gonna miss me. I know you were gonna miss me, but we're gonna get back. Don't worry, guys. Anyway, we have the passports back, and we're finally gonna get to sleep.
Thank you. Somebody, the birthday girl, left the passport inside of that. I called the because it's her birthday today, so I can ask for.
Instead of just one room with 2 bedrooms, we got 2 rooms with one bed. So it's pretty nice. I love the color scheme.
Ay, hindi. Kasi tayong tatlo dito. Tapos si Kevin.
Hindi ako matutulog kasama nyo, no?
Kaya nga, dyan ka sa upuan.
I like it.
Hallelujah.
And this is a cake.
That's mine, not yours.
Is it my birthday? It's not my birthday.
It's not your birthday.
Anyway, I'm gonna start editing, and I will see you guys tomorrow.